What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon. We're going to be doing this little quick unboxing here of this Seagate game drive for Xbox. It supports Xbox One and the Xbox Series X and the Xbox Series S. And it is a 5 terabyte HDD drive that just plugs into the USB port on your Xbox and gives you up to 5 terabytes of extra storage for games, apps, etc. So let's continue looking around the box here before we jump into actually opening this thing. Okay, finally, let's go ahead and just open it up. I do apologize. I am filming this video with one hand while opening the box with the other. My tripod is broke. I really need to get a replacement. So I'm also trying to keep the camera as still as possible. Don't want it to be too shaky. But let's get this bad boy out of the box. And you know, it actually is quite compact and small, so you could easily take it with you, you know, to a friend's house or traveling or whatever the case may be, and bring all your games with it, you know. So it looks like we get us a little quick start guide. There's the actual drive and the cord that comes with it. I was actually surprised how thin and small it was, and not, you know, huge and bulky. But yeah, that is a pretty sweet looking hard disk drive for your Xbox. And like I said, it's a 5 terabyte, so plenty of storage for all your games and apps. But anyways, we got the power cord here, or they don't really take a power supply. It's the cord that plugs into the Xbox. So you don't have to worry about an external power supply to power the drive either. So, and that's pretty much it. That's in the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, feel free to like the video, comment below, and I will see you guys next time in my next unboxing video. Peace. I'm out of here.